Hello guys, in this one I'm going to show you unlock Galaxy S10 Plus in this case, but it also works for most S10 like AT&T, Cricket, Xfinity, Spectrum. All that ask for the unlock code is support in this same service. Okay, let's go ahead and move to the unlock. You need to insert a non AT&T SIM card inside the phone. In this case, because the phone is from AT&T, and you need to enable the USB debugging. You already know how to do that. So here is unlock being done. It can be anyone, S10 Plus, S10e, or regular S10. It doesn't matter. Unlock is very fast. It only takes like 2 to 3 minutes. It depends on the internet speed. And meanwhile, you can follow us in Instagram at unlockings now, and also you can follow us on Facebook. It's unlockings now too. Okay, we will pause the video and resume it when the unlock is done, so you don't need to keep looking this screen. Okay, so now the unlock is done. um, so I'm going to show you the phone, and this was an AT&T phone and is now on Spectrum SIM card. And for more information you can call us or text. Okay, here you can see the phone picking up signal very well. And that's it for today, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment our videos. And that is gonna be all for today. Goodbye.